All right, so this one says, which geometric sequence results in the sum of negative 69,905? Well, this one we're just going to have to do it. We're just going to have to plug it into a calculator and see. So I'm just going to let's plug it into the calculator and see which one does it. So remember that you're going to hit the math button, and then you scroll all the way down till you get to summation. And that gives you the sigma notation. So I'm not going to use k, I'm going to use x. But we plug it in as we see it. X equals 0. The upper boundary is 9. We're going to say you've got to put it in parentheses. Negative 1 divided by 5 times 4 raised to the, we're going to use x instead of k. Let's see if that one works. Oh, hey, we got lucky. That was the very first one. So let's go ahead. I'm going to copy and paste this for your notes so you can see that that's the right answer. So what I would have done for this one, now this is the type of question that'll be on the SAT. Not many. I mean, there might be one question like this on the SAT, but you gotta, I mean, there really isn't an easy way to figure it out. You would just plug it into the calculator and see which one. But if you know your calculators and you know how to use your calculator, you can, I mean, it only took me like, what, 3 seconds to plug that in the calculator. So you can crank through all 4 of those and get the right answer rather quickly. Okay. I am going to do this, though. Let me show you one other thing. You could do that same problem. You could do that same problem on this Symbolab calculator. They use n, but I'm just going to come in here and say, oh no, wait, it had a 0, and then I'm just going to plug the same thing in here. That went to 9, and then in parentheses. Actually, I could do it just like how they did it if I want to. So find the fraction thingy. Negative 1 over 5 times in parentheses 4 raised to, we got to put n, you got to make sure that the letters match. And so I'm using this calculator because I know some of you guys don't have the TI-80 or at home. And so you get the same answer right here. What's nice about this is it shows you all of the terms that are added up in the sum. So all these terms are added up in the sum. Okay, and that's it.